Look, by the time I turned 22, I was making thousands of dollars a day in profit online. And I'm not telling you this to flex. I'm telling you this because if I can do it, you absolutely can too. And today, I'm literally spoon-feeding you the exact playbook. Everyone online wants to talk about passive income and AI side hustles, but almost nobody shows you what actually makes money. So let me cut through the BS right now. There are only 3 things worth selling if you want to build a business that prints. Online courses, coaching, or services that use AI or freelancers so you're not stuck doing everything yourself. That's it. Everything else, all the way from affiliate spam, dropshipping to trendy side hustles, they might get you a few quick wins or a few quick bucks, but they'll never give you a stable 2K per day income. Those models are volatile. They're dependent on algorithms, trends, suppliers, platforms changing their rules overnight. You're building on rented land. What I'm about to show you is how to build on land of your own, your knowledge, your expertise if you have any, but most importantly, your ability to create value. Most people are sitting on skills or knowledge that could be turned into digital products, but never do anything about it. They think they need to be some world-class expert or have 10 years of experience. That's complete nonsense. The fastest way to monetize what you know is through an online course. And I'm not talking about creating some 40-hour masterclass. I'm talking about solving one specific problem for one specific group of people. Let me give you real examples. If you know how to build automations, you can create a course teaching how to build AI workflows that save 10 hours a week. If you're good at content creation, you can sell a course on how to write viral tweets with ChatGPT. If you're in fitness, you can create meal plans with AI, for example. Or you can even show people how to use AI to create personalized meal plans and training schedules. These courses don't need to be long or complicated. They just need to solve one specific problem better than the free content floating around on YouTube. You're selling a result, not just information, remember that. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, courses are great for scale, but if you want the quickest path to cash flow, meaning cash in your bank account, especially if you're starting with zero audience, coaching is the move. Coaching sells because it's personal. People pay for personal advice and accountability. They can find information for free technically, but they can't get customized guidance and someone holding them accountable without paying for it. You can coach people on the skills you already have, like sales, marketing, mindset, fitness, relationships, even building their own AI systems. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. You can start charging $500 to $5,000 per client, depending on the value of the results you're going to help them to get. All you need is a basic offer and a few clients to hit your first 10K a month. Do the math. 5 clients at $2,000 each, that's $10,000. All it takes is 5 people paying you. Not 500, not 5,000, 5. Later, you can turn that coaching process into a course or a group program and scale it without doing one-on-one calls all day. You start with high-touch coaching to validate your methods and get testimonials, then you systemize it for scale. Now, if you don't want to teach or coach, there's a third path: sell a service. But here's the key: don't be the one doing all the work. The new model is a hybrid. You run the business and AI or remote freelancers handle the execution. This is how you scale without burning out. Let's say you offer AI-powered content creation. You get clients, feed prompts into ChatGPT or Claude AI, and outsource the editing to a freelancer for $10 an hour. You charge the client $1,500 a month. Let's say you pay the freelancer $300. You keep $1,200 in profit per client. You can do the same thing for lead generation, sales systems, ad creatives, automation workflows. The possibilities are literally endless. You're basically running an agency without employees. You sell the result and the tools or team deliver it. It's high profit and low effort. This is the leverage model that people don't talk about enough. You're not trading time for money. You're orchestrating systems that generate profit. Now let's get tactical. Here's what you need to do. Start by picking the lane that fits you best: online courses, coaching, or done-for-you services. Then you want to craft a clear offer. For example, I help small business owners to automate their client outreach with AI workflows. Or I help creators turn their skills into a 5K per month course. Or I help coaches build evergreen sales funnels that convert on autopilot. Or you can help people achieve a personal transformation, like fixing their broken mindset, getting into a relationship, overcoming an addiction, getting in shape, getting their dream job, studying more efficiently, etc. Oftentimes, personal transformation are worth a lot more money than business ones. So build your offer, then validate it with 5 to 10 customers. Don't spend months perfecting it in isolation. Get in front of real people, collect their feedback, and make adjustments based on what they tell you. Once you start getting results for clients, you want to automate as much as you can. You can use AI to script your videos, write your landing pages, and generate outreach messages, even email campaigns. You can use tools for free like Notion to organize your content. Use Stripe or PayPal for payments. You can also use Kajabi, System.io, or ClickFunnels for your course delivery. Look, stop trying to be perfect. Stop procrastinating thinking you'll do better in the future. The first version of your offer just needs to exist so you can get feedback and data and start getting some cash in. Perfection is just procrastination in disguise. People think 2K a day is some crazy, unrealistic number. It's not. Let me break down the actual math. If you sell a course for $200, it's 10 sales a day. If your coaching offer is $2,000, it's just 1 client per day. If your done for you service is $3,000, you only need 20 clients a month to average $2,000 a day. The leverage comes from automation, AI tools that handle admin tasks, freelancers that handle delivery, content that brings in leads 24/7 without you lifting a finger even while you sleep. That's how you scale without losing your mind. You're building systems that print money, not hustling every single day for scraps. Most people stay broke because they're stuck trading time for money. They think scaling means working more hours. No, scaling means building systems that work even when you don't. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let's be clear about something. AI isn't the business, it's the leverage. You use AI to create faster, automate workflows, and reduce costs. It can write your sales copy, generate your course outlines, create your lead magnets, build automation scripts, even manage client onboarding. But the real skill is knowing what to ask it for. The thinking has to come from you. AI doesn't make money for lazy people. It multiplies the output of people who already execute. If you're sitting around waiting for AI to do everything for you, you're going to be disappointed. But if you're already taking action and you use AI to 10x your speed and efficiency, you're going to win big. Think of AI as a force multiplier. It amplifies your intelligence and effort. It doesn't replace them. Here's why most people will never hit $2,000 a day in profit. They chase tactics instead of mastering one business model. They'll build a course, then quit after one bad launch. Or they won't try reaching out to potential customers to get clients and say it doesn't work because they didn't talk to enough people. Or they'll sell services and refuse to delegate because they want to control everything. Pick one lane, commit to it for 6 months at the bare minimum, and make it your obsession. If you can just do this, you will win by default because 99% of people quit the second it gets slightly uncomfortable. Most people don't even last a fucking week, yet they think they're gonna get rich. Success isn't about finding the perfect strategy. It's about executing an imperfect strategy consistently until it works. Most business models work if you stick with them long enough to figure them out. Once you have a validated offer, whether it's a course, a coaching program, or a service, your entire focus should be on traffic and automating everything. Build simple lead magnets that attract your ideal customers. Post short-form and long-form videos showing you're the go-to person in your niche. Automate follow-ups with AI so leads don't fall through the cracks. Everything else is just noise. The goal is to turn attention into income, and automation keeps it consistent even when you're not actually working. This is how you build something that actually prints money even when you're asleep or having dinner with your family. Billionaires know that making more money is not about working harder. It's about building smarter systems that grow your money over time. Your content becomes your sales team. Your automation becomes your customer service. Your freelancers become your delivery team. You become the orchestrator, not the operator. Look, the only difference between you and the people printing $2,000 a day is they built something and you haven't. You can sell your knowledge through courses. You can sell your experience through coaching. You can sell results through a done-for-you service that runs on AI and freelancers. That's it. There's 3 paths. Pick one. If you'd like me to personally help you build a profitable online business to reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, check out the link in the description below. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.